Awesome. So let's start this video by creating a new channel. So I'll click on channel over here. We can create 5 channel in this core plan. So I'll click on create channel and I will name this channel as the name is required one. So I will name this channel as organic URL for social media. And description I can give this channel is to get the RECORD records of all organic links created for social media platforms SPM. Okay, organic and created for SPM. SPM is nothing but social media platform, and you can give a color to it. So as it is a social media platform, I will choose this color and create start channel. I will click on the start channel button and I will just click on create channel. So there we go. So our one channel is created. I will create one more with the similar terms. Instead of the organic, I will say like paid URL for social media. And here also I will do the channel is the channel. This channel, sorry, it should be if is not if. So this channel is to get the record of all paid link created for social media. So whatever social media marketing we will be doing or you guys will be doing and they will be paid, and you will need the URLs to be added over there. So you can create this channel and I will click over here. Okay. So whatever URL you will be creating for your paid campaigns, you can keep that URL in this paid URLs SM channel, and whatever is for organic, you can keep in the organic one. So you have your channels over here. Now let's go to the link. Click here and go to edit. Now select the channel where you want this. So this is completely organic. So I'll click on organic and just update the link. Okay, and now I will go to organic URL here and you can see the link is added over here as well. So out of, let's say you have thousands of URL, but only 10 or 15 are there which are organic. So you can find them here very quickly. Okay. And again here statistics and so you see if I click on edit now, you will go to the same page where you can edit this completely in and out. And if you click on statistic, you can see one click, unique one click. You might have seen like you noticed that, right? We have entered this URL multiple times, but still it is showing only one click because it is completely based on IP. So if the same user is clicking on that link again and again, again and again, again and again, so it will show you one. But if there is a interval of time, so it will increase the click count, but it won't increase the unique click count. So unique click count means it should come from the different devices, not from the same device. And yeah, top country is India. So as of now, this is what the country is where I am, and is direct, so it will come as direct. So summary, yes, the summary is one click today. Country and cities, if you see, so the country shows India in the map, and if I go to cities, it shows Bangalore, India, because right now I am in Bangalore. Okay, it will show me the platform. You can guess it. This is Mac OS, and as of now, it is only one click, so everything is coming from Mac OS. Browser. So, what do you think the browser should be? So, it is Safari. So, it has counted the Safari link because we are already logged in here, and if the logged in user are using the click, it is not going to count because the Altly knows that, oh, you're the only person who is clicking on this link. So, yeah, we are not counting it. So Safari, we open Safari. So this is one area where we have. So yeah, so this is Safari. Language, English is what the language was reference. So reference, if you see, there is no specific reference, it is not coming from social media, no direct, no email. So as of now there is no reference over here. And A B test routing, if you see, so the traffic shows zero clicks over here. As the clicks will increase, you can see the A B test trafficking also in the specific area. Okay, so going back to this one, and yeah, so this is how you create the channels, and you can segregate or differentiate your links over there. Cool. So this is what the channels is. Now after channels, we have seen the links. Archive links is nothing but whatever links you have archived, it will go there. Expired links, if you have given the expiry date or the count for the expiry, all the links will come here. And next is campaign. So we will see what is campaigns in the next video.